Welcome to Thermometer. This game is a warm-up stretching exercise. I recommend you just spend a few minutes at the start of each therapy session with this game. The goal of Thermometer is to reduce the tone and increase your flexibility. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. To play this game, you must relax and allow the motor's hand or foot to stretch your affected limb up. The thermometer's temperature is controlled by how stretched and relaxed you are. Press Next. Periodically you will be given a chance to rest between stretches with the Take a Break step. Press Next. After the game is done, you'll see the end of game summary screen with your high scores in this game. Here you can press the 5 more minutes button to keep playing this game, or you can press the Next button to move on to your next therapy game. Have a great stretch and warm up for the rest of your therapy. Press Next. If you ever want to see this tutorial or are ever unsure of how to play a game, you just need to press the tutorial button on the pause menu like you see here. Remember, if you want to pause a game and bring up the pause menu, simply press anywhere on the screen.